As a leader, as an individual, you want to grow, right? We all want to grow. That's our core need. Only when we grow are we really happy, excited, right? So I want to talk about two things that you must invest in if you really want to grow. And when I say grow, you want to really experience the growth very profoundly. Okay, so stay on. These are two things that I feel are very critical. Listen to them. Hi, I'm Aastha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If this is something that excites you, you really want to hear about those two things that you must invest in, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel. So there are a lot of things, lot of ways in which we move forward with the intention of growing. In fact, every day of our life that we're living, every experience is a growth opportunity, right? However, these two things that I'm going to now talk about have really given me a very different perspective, have helped me come out of my own box, of where I'm living surrounded by that same set of people. See, because every day जब हम अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं तो हम एक set of लोग हैं, चाहे personal space हो, professional space हो, बहुत ज़्यादा variations नहीं आते हैं, उन्हीं के साथ हैं, right? और उन्हीं सराउंडिंग्स में होते हैं. कुछ 3-4 अलग सराउंडिंग्स होती हैं जिनमें हम रोज जाते हैं. सो समवेयर while that presents a growth opportunity, however, that kind of limits the whole thing. You are in a silo or in a box of yours when you're playing there. So the number one thing which I feel is very critical if you really want to grow, like really want to grow, is travel. Invest in traveling. Travel extensively. Okay, and when I say travel, it doesn't really have to be घर में ये शादी है तो वहाँ चले गए, या उससे एक्स जने से मिलने वहाँ चले गए, राइट? इस रिलेटिव्स के यहाँ जाना था तो 4 दिन वहाँ चले गए. No, that's not what I'm saying. When I say travel, it is going to different places, no boundaries, no barriers, any place that you are really up for, go there and explore that place. When I say explore that place, of course, you may be doing the routine sightseeing, you may do all of that, but exploring the place, interacting with people out there, okay, understanding what their lives are all about, how they've been living, what are their challenges, how do they overcome. When you meet more and more people, when you explore those places, when you find out about their history, their legacy, it is amazing. I clearly remember one of the experiences. We'd gone to Kurg and we stayed in a homestay. I'm sure a lot of you would have done that. And homestay was a different experience. Staying in somebody's home and understanding how they live and just being there, that gave us like a true insight into what that place was all about, what those people were all about, right? So doing things like that, travel is very enriching. As leaders, you travel a lot, right? तो आप लोग कहेंगे कि नहीं, ट्रैवल तो हम करते ही रहते हैं, बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स होती हैं, आए दिन ट्रैवल करना है. Oh, I'm quite enriched. Well, not really. Because when I say travel, it's not about going to a hotel, getting into the meeting, coming back to the hotel and taking the flight back. No. If that's what travel is for you, no, that's not what I mean. So once again, just to reinforce, travel to different places and explore those places. And don't hold yourself back. Travel to wherever you want. Travel solo. Travel with unknown people, right? Of course, be safe, but that's one thing. So travel. Number 2, invest in books. I think if you really want to the other way, without traveling, without stepping out, if you really want to learn about other people's lives, उनके experiences क्या रहे हैं, उनकी life journeys क्या रही हैं, वो कैसे अपने ups and downs से गुजरे हैं, और उनके experiences से अगर आप सीखना चाहते हो, encourage होना चाहते हो, motivate होना चाहते हो, then books are your second. There's no order, I'm just talking randomly, but yeah, the books are the number 2 investment that I'm talking about. Yeah, must do. Whatever interests you, whether it is autobiographies, it is self-help books, you want to talk about read about a particular industry, anything that excites you about animals, you want to go through whatever, but do that. And as you read more and more, as you get to know more about people, somewhere you will be able to, this amazing thing happens. You are able to relate with things that happen. You're able to get an experience that, okay, I'm not alone. I'm not the only one sailing in this boat. And if this person can do, if so-and-so can do, I can do it too. So it inspires you, it gives you your lessons, you can pick from those experiences and create your own experiences and grow. Ultimately, growth only happens by doing it. Like, you've got to get up and do it. Yeah. However, how about reading and getting inspired by somebody's lessons? How about you may be stuck somewhere and for all you know, you read something and you get your next action step. Yeah. So 2 things: invest in traveling extensively, and number 2, in getting books. Invest in books, more and more books. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to share. These 2 things have been phenomenal, and I am really looking at some real, extensive traveling that I want to do in the coming months and years as things start to open up. I'm really excited. I want to have a lot of different experiences, because not just understanding about those people out there, but these things help you get to know yourself better. It's an opportunity to delve deeper into who you are, where you are stuck, to know yourself better, what holds you back, and come out, as you. Yeah, and that is an experience. That is who you are and why you are here on this planet, to be who you are, like to live that life which is your highest potential. Yeah. So go ahead, do this, and do share your experiences with me. If you've already been traveling a lot, if you already invest in books, how has that helped you grow? And are you able to relate with what I'm saying? Please do share. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.